kumsi benta benang peniar susu ialah kejong ke yeng kesem nak benta benyekun ni election arajar arpulai benjit ekonomi khmat syaying dorbar thwain ke jela ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress menta kasi ka arpo tering noilar kalapen skam ka 14 pedrom kra blok hapo ke jela mu ba sambor langding do kumu presiden ya kani ke blok lembat kinong kit kam la pen skam do ba Charles Pongrop ubade presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress hak ji sakilang o meli ka umroi ba George Milling do harnkat bat kinong ilam jong ka parti lembat ki ba jong ka pentorum kra habakaran hadin kising siapan skam kum presiden ke 14 penom kra blok uba sambor langding do uloong ba jingrung jong u syakasang pertai kamdei ban kamai spa handrei ban kren ya jing e kipai ba namar jing bam yu kinong ilam bat kumjuru ka sorkar halo jing kudor ki marbam bat ki jingdon kam baman kasngi
di kumakalam tay principal party dari Sabatan Kongres TMC bat kibala ban berkabala ban tela kami kita ini dari Sabatan ini di ngaruh sama mandor Sabatan Kongres ada pusat bahagi bat setu ba Sabatan Kongres Eha baka demokrasi jo konsensi jumi memang keputusan konsensi maksudku tak ada konsensi kemayatnya hal lamai pijak interview ada mix population konsensi batang suku pada Sabatan Kongres nila ban propagate secularism di maka constitution nila ban propagate secularism in its true form di halo kita kini ba penong ini bini hak mandorhi hak Sabatan Kongres bagi hak ban sekolah yang happy dan percaya, maksud dan dia parti berkali itu bermazanya tak boleh identiti. Tinrai yang pamasku berpejak action jadi payah konsensi berhatami dari ini parti bang kuai belum bahagi presiden jauh kejilang chief minister jauh Dr. Mukul sama yang dulu sedang ajar sekolah dulu ajar terperang ni iba administrator long dubiang Wah yang kata jingilong longelam, aku jingilong beri kalau terjadi kejadian menyentai, dari ikan lesi ada New York yang kabus isian ini terbaik di kita di
Nakaliang presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress uba Charles Pongrop habakren hak jelang ulong ba jingrung syak seng Trinamool Congress kadai ke jingsung thu chumut langki khat angut kemali ka Congress namar ba kipai ba kimsem yo e ka jingsakri ba pura namar ba sorkar kamsem lala satya kumbala angnur kipai ba lapun pawru baladawan hakabor kinwanra e ka jingkala hapo ka jela Meghalaya
Nongni khmat joga jilla ki bala bagi ka sarkar hakin ki south name shiteng Jumlah berpindah di jumlah. Di Henry kerja jumi minta. Kalau ia kelar berjit semai, ya kau ikut sing all the Trinamool Congress. Berlong kita kini try kisahkri jumi payah. Berkedua yang kaya menang kesalahan, kaya kuat. Berwanran yang roy kepada jam 2 bulan. Jika kermen, bapa 14 pun terbuka konstitusi, kerana jingkusan itu pura. Yang kumka parti all the Trinamool Congress. Buat job ini ke seat nanti. Berbenong, nong nikmat, buat tim kita kam, buat ini kita yang jadi pai berwarai ke development dalam darjah. I was told by Sambor Longdingdo, who's the convener of the constituency, that there are many non-tribal people also here. So I will try and speak a few words in Nepali, because I see. यहाँ महासभा धेरै नेपाली भाषीहरू छ जो नेपालीले बुझ्छ र हात उठाइदिने यसरी निकै रहेछ त निकै रहेछ भोट त दिन्छौ नि हामीलाई दिने कि नदिने तर सुन्दैन त अन्त मेरो प्यारो दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरू आज हामी तपाईको समाजमा आउनु भएको छ यस कारण किनभने हामीले यो पार्टीमा जोइन गरेर एउटा कामको लागि कि जति पनि मान्छेहरू सिटिजन छ हाम्रो मेघालयको तिनीहरूको लागि राम्रै काम गर्नु मैले यो इलेक्सनमा लडेको 20 वर्ष भएको छ। टपल पनि पाक्यो यो काम गर्दै 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 र तर नौथुमाईले हामीलाई जितायो। पहिला म सरखाम गोष्ठीमा थिएँ, त्यति बेला तिनीहरूले भन्दिथ्यो बाचारलाई कोटा दिनु किनभने त्यो बाहिरको मान्छे हो। तर मान्छेको चेहरा नै हेर्नु, दिल कस्तो छ त्यो हेर्नुपर्छ, हो कि हैन? अहिले पनि हामी छौँ यहाँ यस कारण किनभने भगवानको कृपाले हामी तपाईहरुको माझमा समाजमा हुनुहुन्छ।
Uba George Bilindo, Ubadi Vice President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress ulapan tip ka party MPTC kayang scam halo lai tili ginong rem na kabanta banyada ikilong kumi chong kachala kumju ru ka khando siap chong kachala ya kabala sali lam hakani ka sorkar ka jingsoy ya ka MOU badru banyada pai ba ka jala Meghalaya.
Abunya ini kunci bani I ya ki kam jong sorkar ki balale ba ki bakhan lale. Laura e district ha ki jimu ki puthat ni bomba. Bakalan kam bernora ngomong ba James ne ya ke jingkela apo ojo jingkela kenwan nanga ba jingkela kenwan thar bangin pusan ni ladi bangiron kam ne me jela ba scam langiron kam ne me jela ka ba urit pa lim langiron kam ne me jela ba ni tuli shakalowe ajuron kat jo pi ha ni si I sim ingi baro beron kat hungi iway jai nasi markel yang bar harus kapor bangin pe shakalowe dar ta jikirmen bangin wanra ya jingkela ka bakra Ajingdon jo sorkar BJP hapo jela ka jumi kaba sundok lang BJP NPP UDP HSPDP PDF Barmentaru Katu Ningor ki Kongres MLA ki Basa Baro ki parti minta gidon Liang Sinsha. But the party kemudian siapa yang persya dari tanggul kata dari Trinamool Congress. Jingdon jungi yang persya kalau banyak long kesol kejumpi banyak nak kebentar timak jingdawa di boper baru peni yang jingduna di bawah jela jungi kedon. Banyak nak kebentar itu kebangdan kata Allah. Menpau lijo bijinge sorkar bangin keren na ko punta itu juga siap penbeng makham tam ya kapag kipai ba munta ki ma bijinge Trinamool Congress ke bijimut jo Trinamool baleng ang Trinamool bat baleng ang Congress ka Trinamool Congress bijimut jo ka kalong ki grassroots nani naduk tenra Ba Trinamool Congress kabumut bandung lang ya ki pai ba bandung lang ni kitendra ju sensya kada nama ha sensya kada pai ba de ngopi de mangai ke bodan kabur ke bola menrai kalau we jong keri kabung jendung lang don pakha na kamta ka ba kamya jong ki pai ba ke bobul ba baro ngopi ke bodan hangni ngiram de menraki ba kimau buram ya nyop san snem ajila ibu jukuri kalau pi kebetulan hangni dulu senya nak bentar berkentir dari kejumi hati ni Islam kebetulan kejuna senya kolong nak ikam dijam di bawah pitoi kejuna senya kolong nak ye Islam di bawah pibo bapidon kejuna senya kolong nak himan para kamtam di kun di kejumi berbalik apa pieng bandera lejong di kesem apa pi kamai pi keji piseng pi kentu lejong di kun apa pitoi sita manfa skul lejong di kun ane di bala top nak bentar bergintiu lejong kiye kede ketu kejuna senya kolong Katri sitong, mir dapat sengil berpenyang lejong kiye kisah. Mereka kejitai sitong lejong pi. Lada, sorkar kami iya kata. Mbak wan stang lejing banbay. Wan stang kata lejing ino lejong pai. Kenal pai batang lapor election. Natulay dehali kapor dengan jubah. Dapat scam bagi luan rak ekejing kelak bakal nak bentar kejelah kami dia.
Nakaliam Dr. Mukul sangma bakran hakjelang ulah thlain teng ya sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hak babon ki liang ya jingmamla sorkar Hagbabun kimat bat khamtam e halo ka jingdu nong jong pai ba bat ka jalaru kumju bat lapun pau ba ka jingdon jongki haka MPTC kalong ban sim ya ka rai nak banta kalawai bante ya ka ri bat ka jaban rio.
The insensitivity of the leaders who are in the present dispensation. They created the mess and they don't know how to resolve this mess. But in the process, the name and fame of the state has been defamed. The benchmark that we set in the preceding years have gone down the drain, and we are very sad to see. We are very sad to witness this. We have a government who have robbed the mothers of the opportunities that we created. We have a government who have robbed the single mothers of the benefit that we were passing on to the single mothers. We have a government and the leaders who have robbed the old, the infirm of the benefit that has been initiated by our government. We have a government who have robbed our children of the right kind of education, the right kind of environment for better quality education that we created over the decades. We have a government who have brought our school children from the uniform that we started giving. We have a government who have brought our children from the textbooks that we were giving. We have a government who have brought the students from the kind of support that the government provided, be it the digital aid in learning or be it the different kinds of support that we give. We have a government which has robbed the entrepreneurs. We have a government which has dislocated the business of the businessmen. We built a state which could provide equal opportunities for all our beloved people across the state, irrespective of caste, creed, and community. But we have a government now who have been engaged in rampant discrimination and deprivation. All the entrepreneurs that has been built over the years, with the involvement, collective involvement of our people from all walks of life, have been robbed of their opportunities, have been robbed of the career path that they were climbing as entrepreneurs, as businessmen. I met hundreds of our entrepreneurs who slowly climbed the ladder of their career path as entrepreneurs and as businessmen. Today they are deprived of all their businesses and enterprises, whether in the government sector or whether it is outside the government sector. We have a government who have messed up the health sector. We have a government who has messed up the very important innovative scheme that we initiated during our time, the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, with which all our families used to be given the smart card. The smart card which could take care of the cost of treatment in government hospitals or in private hospitals. Today, this government has messed up this whole system, whole scheme. Today, in spite of having the smart card, the patient party will still have to pay amounts which cannot be afforded by the patient parties, rich or poor. We have a government who have deprived our older children of pursuing their education, their higher education and technical education in our own state, compelling the parents to send their children outside the state because they diverted all the money that was available for establishment of technical institutions, engineering colleges, colleges of science and commerce that was initiated during our time. The money which has been sent from government of India has been diverted and they have not been able to give the kind of account that is needed to ensure transparency and effective utilization of the public money. We have a government who has created a stone wall in availing the benefit of the medical colleges and to be able to study in these medical colleges. Hundreds of young men and women who have aspired to be doctors have been deprived because we have failed to complete the medical colleges in spite of having the money. The medical college in Shillong, the medical college in Tura. Why has the government not proceeded further and provided this opportunity? In respect of medical college, the state government has received 172 crores from Government of India. But till now, because they have derailed the whole momentum of implementation of this program, thereby depriving the state, they have paid only 60 crore, they have spent only 60 crores till date. This is reflection of their natural intent which comes in their style of functioning to mismanage the finances of the state.